I am in Hickman County, Tennessee, getting ready to do my first ever gravel ride on my Lightspeed Flint that you can see right here behind me. Hopefully this will be really a fun thing for me to do in the winter, to get out and enjoy something different, to get a little more training in. I'm gonna go do a 30-mile course out here on some gravel roads. It's probably been a good 35 to 40 years since I've gotten dirty, so this should be a lot of fun. It's an easy course to get myself, just kind of dip my toe into gravel, and we'll see how it goes. Here we go, we're gonna turn on the gravel. Woohoo! Okay, something different here. This is pretty nice. All right. Bike's doing great. I will say this is nice, not having any traffic at all. All right. Ah, it's been really nice. I've only done less than 4 miles, but I think I overdressed just slightly. But I'll probably take off my jacket, and that will relieve some of the heat. And I think I'll do that now since I'm getting ready to climb. This is a 10% gradient. I could use stronger legs or more gears. Probably both. Now we get a downhill. All right, I'm gonna stop and enjoy the rest without the camera. Since I'm alone, I can't be too wild out here. No, I didn't get my feet wet. Mud on the lens. It must have been good. I'm now on the second big climb of the day. Really only two today. One on each loop. I'm on the back loop, or the front loop, whatever you want to call it, of this figure 8 30-mile route. Oh, you really can't see it in the video, but it is getting steeper. Yeah, look at that, all that climb. I think I've reached the top. Everything looks down from here. That wasn't very much of a climb. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Just gorgeous. I will say, my Lightspeed Flint is a great gravel bike. It really shines out here. I'm using Gravel King SK Plus tires from Panaracer in a 45mm width, and they're just about perfect for out here. This is a great gravel bike. I'm really impressed by it. It makes for a really good lightweight touring bike too, so I'm really happy with it. It's a beautiful day. Oh shit. Ugh. Hey, I did it. I used my skills. I survived it one-handed. I'm now in the last 4 to 6 miles. I completed the other loop. Now I'm back near the first loop. I'm on West Beaver Dam Road. I'm back to Wade's Branch Road. I've completed both the loops on this 30-mile route. It's just been a beautiful day. Here's the gravel road I went up earlier today. Really enjoyed it. Overall, I thought the gravel was pretty smooth, so might have to find something just a little bit rougher next time, but enjoyed it nonetheless.